there are different ways a project can be executed, right? For example, one approach is you start with software requirements, then you go to design, right? As we talked, then you go to development, and then you go to testing, and then you go to acceptance or rollout, right? The problem is in this model is very monolithic. If you see it, this whole model is very monolithic. What I mean by monolithic is, suppose during the testing, you realize, or during the acceptance testing, you realize that something was missed in the requirement itself. We should not, we should have, taken social security number also in one of the file. You have already done the design, everything is done. During the last phase, you realize that you should have taken social security number as one of the field, right? Or you should not take social security number, something like that. Right? Or you realize that, I need one more file. I can't, rather than sending a weekly report, I also need, rather than creating a daily report, I also want a weekly report. Now you have, the requirement has changed. The customer who is ready to accept your software found that something was missed. Whoever mistake it is, either company, the company did not give, the customer did not give you the requirement, or you as a vendor did not gather that requirement. As a business analyst here, you missed it, or you missed it in the development. Doesn't matter. The problem is you have to start over again, and you have to go in this model again, right? This is what, as you notice, it looks like a waterfall. So waterfall, you take the whole requirement, then you move to design. You finish the design, then you go to development. You finish development, every phase is very sequential, right? The first couple of months you do requirement, next 2 months you do design. It is very sequential. The problem with the sequential is if you find something wrong in acceptance, you have to start over again, and it is too late. Second major challenge is you don't see, the users don't see anything till 8 months or 10 months, right? By the time it's in acceptance, it may, based on the project, it may be 10 months late. So they don't get any value out of this whole process till they get a chance to see, and in majority of the cases, very late. And nobody can create a perfect requirement. The customer change their mind in 10 months, business change. Suddenly, there is a new rule. The HIPAA regulation is implemented. In Europe, there is new regulation coming. Based on government regulations, based on the industry you are in, right? There are different type of requirements. The security requirements, what I call it, non-functional requirement. That means it is not only about functionality of the application, but also performance requirement. You realize company has grown, company is going to put a few things on sale, and on, during this Thanksgiving sale, a lot of companies are going to buy something from your site. Now your site needs very high level performance, right? Very good performance. Otherwise, system is going to crash. You're a Best Buy, you're selling something, or you're Walmart online, and you're selling something, and now you can't sustain you can't do a sale because your server will not support it. So a lot of things could change, right? And it could be missed, or it could be changed over a period of 10 months. The problem is it's too late because you're already doing your acceptance. So problem is waterfall. It's too late for users to see. Problem number 2, sometimes requirement change or missed out, and now it is late. You have to start over again, go back and review each phase, and make changes in each phase and all that part.